Death is not an interruption in nature. It is a functional requirement. Living systems persist because matter, energy, and nutrients are released from one form and made available to another. Ecological coherence depends on endings that redistribute life's building blocks. Without death, ecosystems stall, overload, and collapse. Life continues because nothing hoards itself forever. And so here are 8 ecological cycles that depend on death. 1. Nutrient cycling decomposition breaks down organic matter into reusable nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. Life renews because what once lived feeds what comes next. 2. Soil regeneration. Dead plant and animal matter builds soil structure and fertility. Ground becomes capable of sustaining life because bodies return to it. 3. Carbon cycling. Death releases stored carbon back into soil, air, and water systems. The climate remains balanced because carbon does not stay locked in one form. 4. Population regulation. Mortality prevents overpopulation and resource depletion within species. Ecosystems stay stable because numbers remain within carrying capacity. 5. Succession dynamics. Death clears space for new species to emerge in ecological succession. Diversity arises because older forms make room for change. 6. Energy transfer. Food webs rely on death to move energy across trophic levels. Life feeds life because energy must pass through endings. 7. Genetic adaptation. Mortality removes maladaptive traits from populations over generations. Species evolve because not all traits are carried forward. 8. Waste processing. Death activates decomposers such as fungi and bacteria that prevent toxic accumulation. Environments remain livable because nothing is left to rot unmanaged. And so we realize death is not ecological failure. It is ecological function. Life persists through release, not preservation. Continuity depends on letting go. So we ask ourselves, what am I holding that nature would release? Where does completion allow renewal? How does return make space for life? What becomes possible when nothing is forced to remain? Nature does not fear endings. It depends on them. Life continues because death redistributes life, and you are part of the cycle that gives by letting go.